Okay, I'm really excited to show you this. This is how I pack my personal item for a flight or a day trip. And the bag that I'm using is Pack Safes because I want it to be anti-theft for all the airports I'm going to be going through or anywhere that you might travel for the day. I used this extensively for my Barcelona trip. It was gifted to me by PackSafe. I chose to partner with them because my mom has been using their bags to travel the world for years, and she spoke really highly of them. So I wanted to give it a go myself. I did make a video on all the safety features of this bag, and I'll put the link in the description so that you can see all the amazing things that make up this bag, because I think it's actually a really good price point and it's actually really cute. Usually you don't get cute with functionality, and so that's what I really love about this bag. But also it is big enough to carry all the things that I need for a flight. So first of all, the zipper, there is a little hidden thing here that will clamp onto the zipper, and it creates a zipper lock so that nobody can get in here, which is really nice. So I don't have that on right now, but we'll open this up. There is a lot of space in here. I want to balance like things I might need with the things I for sure need, and then don't want to keep anything that I'm not going to use because I'm going to be carrying this around like the whole time. So I don't want it to be extra heavy. So first of all, this is RFID safe, so nobody can scan your passports or your credit cards in here, and that's a big deal. So this part right here is big enough for my passport, so I've got those. And then on this side, I'll come a little closer, is for my ID and credit cards. On the other side is a zipper compartment, and in there I have my travel insurance document. I also keep my cash in that zippered pocket. And then I also have, this would be more for day trips, but I also have Band-Aids, because if you're wearing new shoes, or even if you're not, and you're gonna be walking around for a day, you're gonna want probably Band-Aids. I don't know, it happens to me all the time. I need Band-Aids. So for a flight, or if maybe you're taking the train somewhere, I have my Kobo. You might have a Kindle. It fits really nicely in here. I also have my eye mask. So this is something I would have on the airplane. This brand is Smug, and I like this one because it's concave, but basically it sits off of your eyes. I don't like anything pressing on my eyes. It makes me feel a bit claustrophobic. And also sometimes I get my lashes done for a trip, and so I don't want any pressure on my eyelashes. I have earplugs because I need it to be quiet. Travel size deodorant from Kelowna, and it's called Sondr. They make clean deodorants that work so well. My husband and I both only used Sondr for our whole Barcelona trip, which was sweaty, and they worked amazing. It's free from aluminum and parabens and all of the bad stuff. I also have never had like a rash or reaction to this, so it's good to know. And they have these adorable travel sizes. So these are only 25 grams. They'll absolutely last you your whole trip. Samsung earbuds, little travel size of Advil. And then you get to Europe and you discover that wine is cheaper than water. So Advil's a good idea. I also keep my Vivier mineral tinted SPF. So the tintedness gives me a bit of color. I always find like when I go flying and I use the bathroom in the airport, I'm like, oh, I look like a ghost. Like I'm just like pale. I keep a chapstick, of course. I also keep a couple of electrolyte packets in my bag, especially if I'm traveling somewhere hot, because I find I can drink and drink and drink water all day long. And sometimes it feels like I'm not actually getting hydrated. I actually had kind of a scary incident in Dubrovnik last year where it was like so hot and we've been sweating so much, and the water just like wasn't hydrating because I'm sweating so much. So I wish I'd had these. I brought these to Spain with me this year, and they're just Organica's like single-use powder. So it's 3.5. We'd put this in a water bottle and drink it down, and I never had. Okay, so the problem I had in Dubrovnik was I almost fainted because we were walking around so much. And so I did not have that issue this year with these. So that is like my new go-to. I always have a pen in my bag, an elastic. There is also a zipper on the outside of this. That's like a special, it's got a safety zipper tab. So if someone tries to open this, the tab stops it. You'll see this in my other video. So you can put your phone in here. It's a little bit faster to grab than digging through all of here. So you can keep that on the outside, but still really secure. And all of that fits in here in my 3-in-1 crossbody. Hey, there was one more thing I was gonna show you, and the reason I didn't is because I'm using it right now to film this. But I would also pop this in my bag. Let me turn this around. This is from the company Moft. It's super skinny and light, so it fits in the bag really nicely, but this is like a travel tripod. So I would use this for taking photos or doing video content, but also I'm gonna try to do this with one hand. It's magnetic, so I can pop my phone on here, and then it's a stand, so I don't have to hold my phone if I wanna watch a movie. There's different ways that it stands up. Okay, so that's the magnet part where you would put your phone. You can do vertical or horizontal, and then it kind of forms this like adorable little tripod that you could have anywhere. But also, like I had before, you can just have it like this, nice and low. This is like a travel must-have for me. Okay, so I made you a quick little checklist that you can download for free. There's a link in the description, so you can just download that for yourself, and hopefully you don't forget anything. Please leave me a comment if you think I forgot something in the list. I can add it to this video. As always, thanks for watching. You can click the playlist of travel gear reviews in the description as well, and there might be something in there that you never knew you needed for travel. Also, if you want to support, I would always love another subscriber. Until next time, thanks for watching.